Hey folks, Dave DePaulo here from Maximus Internet Marketing. This is Web Wednesday. Thank you for joining. I apologize I wasn't on very much these last couple weeks. I was sick, my family was sick. Next week I was catching up, so it's been pretty crazy. End of the year too is always a little crazy for my business, getting a lot of different things ready to go. So today, I'm going to actually totally contradict myself probably here. So, I do these videos. I do Web Wednesday. A lot of times I'm talking about things on the web. And listen, we're coming up on the holiday season here. A lot of people shop online every single year. They break the record for Cyber Monday. Internet sales are just, soaring every year. Amazon's just killing it, the whole nine. A lot of people do their shopping online now, and I get it. I get the convenience of it. I get the ease of figuring out, how much things cost and, saving money, doing whatever you got to do. Totally understand it. But I want to emphasize, do not forget about small businesses. Do not forget about them. They're hurting. They were hurting last year with the pandemic, still going into this year. A lot of them didn't recover. Some are barely hanging on. It's hard for them to get staff. I mean, it is crazy for small businesses. Do not forget about small businesses. So, I made a conscious effort last year to get a lot of my gifts for small businesses, and I'm going to do the same this year. And it could be everyday things, Find out what hairdresser your friend goes to, what barber they go to, find out what restaurants they like. Find out, if they like certain wines. There's wineries around, there's breweries around, and then there's just like little tiny small boutique shops that are great, that have really cool stuff in there that you probably won't find online. Think about that. Make a conscious effort. Make the effort to go out and buy from small businesses. Again, this is totally off of what I generally, emphasize with the internet and internet sales and all that kind of stuff. But I care about small businesses. I would say 85% of my clients are small businesses. So I care about them. And, I want to see them succeed. I want to see them get through the holidays. And remember this, a small business, a lot of people think because if you're a business owner, you have a ton of money. And that's usually not the case. I mean, a lot of these people live very modest. And, when you take care of a small business, you're not just taking care of them. You're taking care of their employees as well, their employees' families, their families. That goes a long way. And that's a weight that a business owner holds on their shoulders and in their head that they have to worry about all the time. They're not just feeding themselves and their family, they're feeding their employees' family. So if they don't succeed and they don't do the right things, then their employees may be out of a job or may have less hours or may get less pay. And we don't want that. No one wants that. So again, take care of small businesses. There's Small Business Saturday, that whole thing, but do it every day. We have, 25 or 30 days till Christmas. Go support small businesses, guys. And you could do a lot of that stuff online. So here, Web Wednesday, online. You could buy gift cards online. A lot of them have gift cards already, and they have different ways you can buy gift certificates online. Look at their website. Look what they do. And just try to go that route. I'm not saying everything's going to be bought from a small business, and it's impossible, but do your part. Help them out. They help you out. That's all I have to say. That's it, guys. I'm probably not going to be on a lot going into the holidays here. I'm crazy busy trying to get a couple, things done year end, where it's a busy time of the year for us. Trying to launch a couple other things too. So I may pop on here and there, but I'm probably not going to be on regularly every week until then. If anyone has any questions about anything to do with the internet marketing, anything whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach out. And that's it, guys. Have a good holiday season. Support small businesses. That's all I have to say. Thank you.